कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी करमध्ये सरस्वती करमूले तु गोविन्दं प्रभाते करदर्शनम्. Namaste. Today I shall first be demonstrating to you pre-mudra preparatory movements for your fingers. These movements are essential for increasing the flexibility of your fingers for practicing the mudras. Initially, many people find it difficult to practice these mudras because the fingers do not bend or cross easily. And if this is done forcefully, it causes a lot of pain. So, these movements help in relaxing and loosening the finger joints as well as the muscles of the palm and making it easy for practicing these mudras. These movements are preparatory movements are very simple. So to start with, okay, hold the thumb of your right hand with the fingers of your left hand and keep all the fingers loose and relaxed. Then hold this thumb and rotate it in the clockwise direction 10 times and anti-clockwise direction 10 times. Give slow, smooth movements. Then forward and backward 10 times. Then move on to the next finger, that is the index finger. Rotate it 10 times clockwise, 10 times anti-clockwise. Forward, backward 10 times. And repeat this cycle for all the fingers of the right hand. Then repeat this movements for the fingers of the left hand with the help of the right hand in this manner. 10 times clockwise, 10 times anti-clockwise, 10 times backward and forward movements. In all, this requires just 3 minutes and 20 seconds. So, before you start practicing the mudras, first do these preparatory movements so that it is easier for practicing the mudras. Now, today's mudra is Deva Jyoti Mudra or Netra Jyoti Mudra, which is very effective in the treatment of all types of eye-related disorders. It is a very simple mudra. Sit comfortably and relaxed. Keep your back straight. And this mudra is to be performed with both the hands. So, for performing the Deva Jyoti Mudra or the Netra Jyoti Mudra, bend this index finger and place its tip on the baseline of the thumb like this. Keep the thumb projecting outwards. The remaining 3 fingers are to be kept straight like this. Okay, so this is Deva Jyoti Mudra. Place both the hands on your thighs with the palms facing upward. Now, this particular mudra is very helpful in the treatment of weak eyesight, eye web, and corneal opacity. In today's modern world, a lot of strain is imposed on the eyes due to excessive use of smartphones and computers. In the current scenario, this problem has increased several fold due to the work from home and online culture, which is equally affecting small kids, youth, and elders. This mudra is very effective in relieving eye strain. Moreover, regular practice of this mudra by kids can keep away spectacles. In addition, if this mudra is practiced by kids who are wearing spectacles, it will help them restore their eyesight so that the spectacles might not be required at all. Duration of practicing this mudra. For small kids, ask them to practice this mudra for 40 to 60 seconds, 4 to 5 times a day. And for the others, the duration is 6 minutes twice a day. Well, that's all for today. See you next week with a new mudra. In the meanwhile, subscribe to this channel, like it, and share it. Thank you.